Alright guys, what's going on? We are checking out my league. The Seattle Supersonics are back. So we're going to the expansion draft. We also got another new team along with us, the Anchorage. Some Alaska team, I don't know. But we're worried about the Supersonics expansion draft. Everybody wants to see them. So let's get through this draft. Michael Porter Jr., they did not protect him. Yeah, that's our first pick. Michael Porter Jr. The Glaciers take RJ Barrett. Let's just go to age. Should we just go to age? 20, Azuponga. Malik Monk. What are we thinking here, guys? What are we thinking? Derrick Jones Jr. Adam Schofield. I don't know. Serge Ibaka. Otto Porter. We gotta go Malik Beasley, right? Right? Am I wrong for that? Or is that who we're going? I want Monk too. I'm going Beasley. I'm going Monk right here. Malik Monk. He's been playing out of his mind. Where's he at? Yes, sir. Oh, they want Carmelo, Rudy. They're going for the old players. 23 million salary. Oh, I don't know about that, Serge Ibaka. We need Keebler's 28, Alex Lynn's 27. He just kind of keeps dropping off. D'Anthony Melton 22. Yeah, we're taking him. We might have the youngest team ever. Bowman. Oh, we gotta take Bowman, right? I'm just gonna hope he's there. Who did I see? It's after Boba. Chandler Hutchison. I just think we go young here, right? I mean, it's just this is an expansion team. We got to go young, don't we? Did Boban get picked? Josh Hart, the boy. Robert Williams. Payne, Corver. Chris Clemens. Some of these guys, I'll be honest with you guys, I don't even know who they are. I know a lot. Some of them I don't know. Alright, we're getting down here. Deep down. Alright. Is Boban still here? Let's see if he's here. So I would love to have him. I think somebody took him. McDermott? Who? Mike Conley, look at that contract. I really don't want that contract. Oh, Keebler. Trace Kaminsky. Right back. Alright guys, I'll meet you here after I get done with the trades, and then we'll check out the team from there. Alright guys, so I finished up the trading, and this is what we got. Here's your starting five for the Seattle Supersonics. Malik Monk, I'm starting him out point guard. Malik Beasley, Michael Porter Jr., Kleber, Giles. All right, our bench, we got McDermott, Melton. Some of these guys we kept, some of these guys we got rid of. I got Quentin Cook, Milton, Gafford, Williams, Clemens. So pretty much the same. We got a lot of draft picks just for some small kind of guys. So what we're going to do is we are going to actually sim I wonder where the All-Star break is. Okay, All-Star break. That's where we want to see him because that's the last time you can trade. So let's go. All right. They want to trade. Take that. And look at the L's, guys. Just look at the L's. Terrence Ross. No. I've already did. Okay, here's the draft. Why am I seeing scout best first rounders? Scout sleepers. Sure. Marcus Saul. No, I don't want these. I don't want these trades. No. I'm not trading any of my guys. There's the Glaciers. Coordinate. No. Why are we getting so many trades? This is ridiculous. How many L's have we taken? We got a win yet? I'm not even looking at the trades anymore. They're just getting ridiculous. All right, so let's take a look at our record. Actually, let's not. Let's just go to contract extensions. Michael Porter Jr. won't re-sign, everybody. That is a killer. Malik Beasley is not going to re-sign. Malik Monk is not going to re-sign. Our whole team's not re-signing. Our whole team. All these young guys that we got are not re-signing. Right, we gotta get them out of here. We have got to get him out of here. I don't want Gordon Hayward. Don't want Mike Conley. It's two young guys. It's not bad. Not bad. Two young guys. But Hill, Kuzma, Josh Hart. What was that, Seth Curry? Jamal Murray. Did we take that? Do we take Jamal Murray? We might take Jamal Murray. CJ McCollum. We might take him. Who else? Who else is not going to re-sign? Monk, he's not re-signing. Let's just do a super trade. Who's got it? Are you kidding me? No, I'm not going to do that. Who's got the super trade? Looks like none of these guys do. We have so many people that won't re-sign. Let's go ahead and get rid of McDermott too. I want to see if we can still get... I would love to have De'Aaron Fox. Oh, I kind of want that. I kind of want that. I want Jamal Murray, though, more than anybody. Let's just keep doing this. I mean, our whole team wants to leave, so, you know, let's just let them leave. I don't care what he was. Trey Quinn Cook. Let's go back. Who's not signing? So Beasley. I can't believe Monk. Why did he do that? So pretty much nobody. Okay, let's just. I'm about to sign Paul Gasol. J.R. Smith. We're about to be scrubs. I'm not paying them that though. I cannot. Like, this is not what I expected. I'm losing all my players. Chandler Parsons, I definitely don't want him. He's terrible. Tobias Harris, that would be nice. De'Aaron Fox, that would be nice. I don't want that. Alright, you know what? Michael Porter. Let's go our draft picks. Put a second rounder on there. Unprotected. Let's see what it looks like. I'm not giving up my first round draft pick. They're crazy. The Glaciers got Dwight Howard. They didn't have him before. They want Harry Giles. They want Harry Giles. We got a Pop Tart break, y'all. Pop Tart break. All right.
You can take on anything. What's your warrior? Find out at GoArmy.com.
This is it. This is the trade. I mean, this is it. We're getting 24-year-old small bar. I mean, I gotta take it. There we go. I can't believe he wanted. Oh, I'm hurt. The Michael Porter hurt me. The Michael Porter trade, that just hurt my soul. All right, let's just get this whole season. All right, here we go. We're getting dubs. Look at this. Look at this. We're getting dubs now. We were tanking, but now we're kind of doing better. Let's get this season over with. We beat the crap out of the Timberwolves. Look at that. All right, so here you go. Your awards. You got LeBron James, Rookie of the Year, Mark Warwick. No idea who that is. Spencer Dinwiddie. Giannis getting the, that's kind of ironic, Defensive Player of the Year. Jamal Murray, Most Improved Player. Okay, we get an award our first year out. We'll take it. We'll take it. Brett Brown. All right, Best Coach. All right. All-Stars. Okay. All right, playoff tree. All right, let's simulate these playoffs. We'll see who gets the dub. Oh, and your Los Angeles Lakers are your 2020 champions. Anthony Davis gets the MVP. Now on to bigger, important things. Player retirement. Utah Jazz. I thought he retired 8 years ago. Okay, that shouldn't affect us. Staff retirements. Popovich, league meetings. Okay. All right, so there's the Northwest. So if you just want to look, y'all get guys looking like we're us and the Glaciers, the Sonics, the Thunder. I kind of like that. Pretty good conference. Draft lottery. All right, here we go. Here we go. Where are we at? 7. Why are we 7? Next. Go to the next one. How can I make this go faster? I'm like tapping this as fast as I can, guys. Spurs get 13. Warriors get 12. Prediction. All right, so the prediction is Celtics. That's the Celtics. So pretty much prediction Kings. If we get top 5, we'll be happy. Top 5. Oh, swept it up that time. The Pacers. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. Please no. 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 We get the 8th pick. No. Knicks get the first pick. LaMelo Ball. Staff signing. I don't care about my staff. Somebody else do that for me. Catch up scouting. Yeah, that's what we want to do. All right, guys. So we've been scouting. Why is this our big board? I don't understand what is going on. 2K, what is this? Is this really the big board? We're going to draft Zion twice? Oh, 2K, y'all screwed this up. These guys are already on teams. I promise, guys, they're already on teams. I'm so confused. NBA draft. Ja Morant, what is going on? They're already in the league. Oh my goodness. So now we got double of every player. I'm not kidding, guys. The players are already in here. Oh my goodness. Like what? Like some of these are fake, but some of them are real. You know what I mean? I'm so I'm so confused right now. Why? 2K, I mean, this is just giving y'all an example. 2K My League is an absolute mess. It is an absolute mess. No, I don't want Jackson Hayes. Kobe White, maybe. You know what? We're taking Hero. I'm taking Kobe White. I mean, this is so dumb though. I don't understand. Did 2K really mess up this bad that we're drafting the same people again? Yeah, let me check them out. Why do so many people want this pick? Buddy Hield? Are you kidding me? I wish they wouldn't put that other pick on there. Let's just give it to the Knicks. I mean, the Knicks need help. Here, Knicks, y'all can take it. We're just simming to the end. I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Look at this. This is so messed up. Rookie signing, Kobe White. I mean, this is just. I'm so confused, guys. This kind of like ruins the whole video. All right, free agency. All right, we're still free agents. All right, Giannis on the Katubo. Yeah, we'll take him. That's what he wants. Let's give it to him. I'm not offering Kawhi Leonard. Anthony Davis, buddy. Yes, sir. I mean, we got the cash. We're trying to get everybody. Jason Tatum, won't you come play small forward for me? All right, advance. Let's see what we got. Anthony Davis, yes, sir. Oh, the Boston Celtics have matched me. Let's go like lower. Let's do Drummond. Oh, we didn't get it. Everybody's matching. Kyle Lowry, I'm sorry, man. I just don't. Let's see who doesn't have offers, and let's just lowball them. Let's just do that. Let's just see. That might work. I don't think he's worth 4 years, 80 million. Personally. What do y'all think? I don't think he's worth that. Why are we going so high on these guys? I'm getting tired of holding the button. I might just hit it and just say, come on. He declined immediately. He was like, nah. No, you know what? I don't want that. Michael Porter Jr., come on down, brother. Come back to us. Oubre, yeah, let's go. Jonathan Isaac, let's go. What you think? What you thinking, Isaac? Get out of here then. We don't want you anyway. Who doesn't have any offers? Jared Allen, I'll take you. Whiteside, I don't like Whiteside. We just don't have any money. We don't have any money. Does anybody want to come play for us? Otto Porter, what about you? Let's go down here. Who doesn't have any offers? Carmelo. My man. Come get this ring, Melo. He was insulted. I don't care if you're insulted or not. JaVale, come on. Marc Gasol. 1 year, baby. Come on. Man, I don't want none of y'all anyway. What you think, Hood? Alright, you know what? We're done. We're done with free agency. Let's skip it. Can we win the league with this lineup? Let's just go to that season. I'm gonna show y'all that these rookies are already on here, and this is about to be so messed up. All right, so John Morant got picked by the Knicks, right? Knicks, John Morant. Grizzlies, John Morant. Come on, 2K. Did y'all really do this? Did y'all really do this? So now we got double of everybody, of all the rookies. And I'm like, disgusted. We're going to move on. We're going to try to win no matter what. Like, we're just going to rock it. Can we win with this team? I don't know. Can we trade a first round draft pick unprotected? Can we get somebody good? Let's just see. Trade Finder. Let's just go. We need like a shooting guard, small forward type, something. Culver. McCollum wouldn't be bad for us. Let's get Klay Thompson. Who y'all want? Who y'all want? What, Bubba? Yeah. Where you at? All right, where were we? It's so crazy. Like, come on, Jason Brown, come on. Somebody's got to want to come. Try not getting Jamal Murray. Nobody is getting Jamal Murray. Michael Porter, we would win the ship if we had you, Porter. Why does everybody get the new John Morant? Let's get the double John Morant. I cannot believe it did that. Please, come on, LeBron. Luka. The ultimate goal would be to get KD. Let's just go. What's up, Melo? You wanna? Okay, you don't wanna. He don't wanna. He don't wanna play with us. So we got these two. Let's trade Kobe White. Let's trade Kobe White to the Bulls. TJ Warren, he could be the difference. You know what? We'll just keep him. We'll keep him. Okay, we got him back. We gotta get Clay. We gotta get Kleber out of here. He's too much money. Get him out of here. Here. Let's spice it up. Let's do Kleber. Let's do a first round draft pick for this season because we're making the playoffs. Who y'all got for me? Kevin Porter Jr. Okay. I kind of like that. Larry Nance. Don't like that. I don't like giving up Schofield though. I want to keep Schofield. What if we put a second on it? Maybe we'll get something different. Who's this? Oh, that's a dude that won Rookie of the Year. Yeah, get me him. I'll take that guy. He won Rookie of the Year. He's 20 years old. I bet I could flip him. I need LeBron. We're just looking to get better, man. Danny Green. that get us better? Why is he so rated so low? All right, we're keeping it. All right, let's roll on. Through the regular season we go. Automatically. No, I don't saw. I guess Anthony Davis might have got team captain. Come on, let's get these dubs. We're whooping the Clippers. Of course, can't beat the Clippers. Let's go. Luka MVP. Richie Barrett, Rookie of the Year. Lonzo Ball, 6-man. Okay, look at him for the Hawks. Giannis, Defensive Player of the Year again. De'Aaron Fox, Most Improved. All right. We're in. We're the number 2 seed. Let's go. We're the number 2 seed. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. I'm scared. I'm scared. Simulate round. Woo! And we barely. I gotta move this. We barely make it out, guys. No! No, we got eliminated by Denver. That's it. And the Phoenix Suns are your champions. And Zion is on the Suns. I bet that's the rookie Zion. Oh, no. Hall of Fame. Who get the Hall of Fame? Chris Paul. Yeah, of course. Oh, no. Draft lottery. Let's go. Actually, we're not. What are we supposed to be? Are we even in the draft lottery this year? No, we're not. Skip it. We're 20th. No, we're 6. Got the 6th pick. Okay. I don't want him then. My man has 7 badges. Look at this guy. DE rank. 2K rank. 2. We're taking him. We're taking this guy right here. The overseas guy. We're taking him. I think we got the 20th pick. Grabbing the center next. All right. I wish we could get this dude. Do we even want this dude? Do I want Cody Martin back? I really don't know. I don't want him back. Luka. We can't even come close. Kevin Durant. Is there anybody that we can even come close to getting? No, let's go all the way down. We're in this range. Okay, well, there we go. I wish, Lonzo. I wish, brother. Bobo. He didn't even consider us, man. Marc Gasol, you want to get this? You want to get this ring? Come on, Mark. All right, here we go again, guys. New year. Pretty much same team. Pretty much same team. Made it to the second round of the playoffs. We're hoping to make it a little bit deeper. A little bit deeper this year. So far, so good. We're rolling. We're rolling. Yeah, let's see. Won't resign. Awesome, Jerome. I did that for you, and you're not going to resign? Get out of here, Jerome. I don't want you anyway. Give me somebody else. What's up, Junior? Tim Hardaway. No, y'all didn't want Melo anyway. Why would I give y'all Melo? I kind of like that. Kind of like the Rubio. TJ McConnell? Okay, okay. Who's this? Point guard? Deion Waiters? D Rose? Why does everybody want Melo all of a sudden? Y'all, none of y'all wanted Melo? Let's see if we can stick a pick on here and get something. Let's take a pick on this, see what happens. So pretty much same players. Okay, can we stick two first rounders on it? Let's see what we get. This might be the year to win it. I mean, if we can win it, well, let's win it. A Euro stash. I don't want a Euro stash. I want somebody right now. So that didn't do me any good. I think Valentine could help us, be better. Let's get this dude. I mean, he's a point guard. That's what we need. Let's go. All right, let's roll on. Look at it. Look at it. We got some dubs with the guy. No. No. Made all the offers we can make. Look at our record. We're rolling, man. We got to be like 1 or 2 seed. Now we're losing. We got to be like 1 or 2 seed right now. This might be the year, guys. This might be the year. Luka, back-to-back MVPs. No clue. Kobe White. Not our Kobe White. Giannis, 3rd year in a row. He gets Defensive Player of the Year. All right, we are the number 1 seed. We are the number 1 seed this year. All right, here we go. Simulating the round. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, Phoenix. Can we look at the lineup? I want to look at the lineup on this. So we got number 1. Look at this over here, too. Number 4 and 6. This could be our year. All right, let's go to Phoenix. That's who we're playing. They got Booker. They got Zion. The second Zion. Ayton. Porter. He can't play. Man, we got this. They're not even that good. They're not that good. Round. Oh, we 4-0'd them. We 4-0'd them. All right. Sonics and the Pistons. All right, who we got? Who you got, Pistons? That's a sweep. How are they? That's got to be a sweep, right? All right, here we go, everybody. July 8th, 2023. Seattle Supersonics. We did it. We did it. It took us 3 seasons. 3 seasons. We got Anthony Davis. And he gets it done for us, everybody. That is it. That's the end of this video. The Supersonics rebuild, expansion, whatever you want to call it, it is finished. We go 61-21. We get Anthony Davis, and he leads us to victory. I'm sorry for the draft mishap, guys. I just wanted auto-generated rookies. Right now, you can't even get like LaMelo Ball in them. The 2K servers are messed up. You can't even download those draft classes. So I just wanted to get auto draft classes and do that. I don't know why they have that for my league. I'm going to double check that after this video just to make sure that I didn't mess something up. But I didn't do anything. I just started my league, got the expansion, got the Supersonics, and I went with it. But hey, we did it. We completed our job. Our goal was 5 seasons. We did it in 3. So make sure you hit the like button on this video. If you have not subscribed, make sure you do. Hope you guys enjoyed.